Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Adam. This is going to be YouTube success, the framework we're going to use for all the videos to create more YouTube videos and continuously be on YouTube creating. Let's see where it takes us. This process, YouTube success, in our experience, from what we found, has 4 parts. We're going to want to plan for success. Now, what's that plan? Will be this. This is the plan. We're doing it. We're enacting the plan right now. And then step 2 for YouTube, after you plan, you gotta figure, what are you planning? You're planning some value out of the content. All right, so plan to have content with value. Any value that a viewer would enjoy, that's going to get you YouTube success. Step 3 is to execute. Act. Get to moving. Get to making your plan with value for content that you can execute on, and then you're going to hit your 4th bullet point, and that's profit. Yep. You get your profit in this stage. That's your success. There you go. Plan your content with value, execute on it, you get profit. And that is the steps that all these YouTube videos will attempt to take. No guarantees. But get yourself a duck on top of your camera so you can look at them while you talk to yourself. All right. Thank you. This is Adam. This is our 4 steps to YouTube success. Plan, value, execute, profit. Like, subscribe. Have a good day.